Good afternoon, children. Welcome to moral class. Hope you are all doing great. Okay, all of you take your moral book and turn to page number 43. Page number 43. Let's start. Today we are going to study a new lesson. The title of the lesson is Many Takes on India. Okay, children? Many Takes on India. Okay? Okay, fine. Look at your book. Page number 43. First, I'll tell the characters of this story. Okay. First, Maladi, Sohail, Jaspreet, Alice and Dushar. 5 students. Okay. They are students from class 6th. Okay, children. Maladi, Sohail, Jaspreet, Alice, Dushar. They are students of class 6th. Okay. Then Mr. Surya Kant. He is a director of Happy World, a children's home. Okay, children. Then Kamala and Tingu, they both are children from the Happy World. Okay. Then Mrs. Malik, she is a teacher. Okay. These are the characters. Okay, children. Okay, fine. Page number 43. Look at your book. Scene 1. It is the school playground during the lunch break. 5 children are sitting together with their lunch boxes. They have almost finished eating. Maladi, it's good that we have formed a lunch group. I can't taste everyone's food now. So much more interesting than the same food day after day. Sohail, Maladi, this chutney is delicious and it actually goes very well with these cutlets Alice got. Jaspreet, so dear foodie gang, what should we do on this Children's Day? Turn to next page, page number 44. Alice, how about a dance show? Tushar, I have been thinking of something for a few weeks. It's a little different, but Sohail, what's it? We like to be different. Dushar, it's just that we have so much, all these comforts and opportunities. Maybe on Children's Day, we could do something for children who are less fortunate than us. We could bring some joy into their lives. So listen, this lesson is like a dialogue. Okay, so in the beginning, it is the school playground during the lunch break. 5 children are sitting together with their lunch boxes. Okay, they have almost finished eating. Okay, a group of friends always eat together and share their foods during lunchtime. Okay, they start discussing about Children's Day. Okay, that time they were discussing about Children's Day. Okay, that time Dushar suggested that they could do something for poor children. Okay, Dushar suggested that they could do something to whom? Yes, poor children. Okay, all the others agreed and they started discussing about what good they do for poor children on that particular day. Which day? Children's Day. Okay, so that lunch time, they were discussing about the Children's Day. Okay, that time Dushar suggested that they could do something for poor children. All the others, Maladi, Sohail, Jaspreet and Alice, they were agreed and they started discussing about what good they do for poor children on Children's Day. Okay, children? Okay, fine. Page number 44. Last. Look at your book. Maladi, actually, how about a fundraiser? There's a children's home called Happy World right next to our school. What if all of us do something to raise money for it? Dushar, sounds good. Alice, but we need to have a plan first. Most importantly, how will we raise funds? So now what happened? Maladi proposed that they could raise a fund to help the children's home. That children's home is called Happy World. Okay, that Happy World is next to their school. Okay, children. So now they were discussing about Children's Day. That time, who said like that? Yes, Maladi proposed that they could raise a fund to help the children's home. Okay, children. That children's home is next to their school. Okay. Then others like this plan. So children, page number 45. Sohail, how about a food fair? Imagine the grounds of a school covered with food stalls. Food from Rajasthan, Assam, Kerala, Punjab, everywhere. All the money that we make can be given to the home. Jaspreet, I think that's a brilliant idea. All of us could bring food from home so that we reduce cost. Maladi, and listen to this, we will help our parents cook. That way not only will we all bring food which is from our state, but we will also get to learn how to cook our traditional dish. I could bring appams and stew. Alice, I love your mother's brownies. And Sohail, that biryani your father makes is so good. Dushar, I'll bring undiyu and puris. Have you eaten undiyu? It's fabulous. Sweet potato, brinjal, raw banana, beans. Alice, my mouth is watering already. Sohail, hold on. We still have to talk to our teachers and parents. Maladi, we will need everyone to take part. Dushar, we could call it Flavors of India or Savor India's Flavors. Listen, how about many tastes of India or many tastes on India? Okay, children, now what happened? Maladi proposed that they could raise a fund to help the poor children, isn't it? The others like the plan. Then they talk about different foods they can bring on that day. Okay. So Dushar said that they could name the food fair as Many Taste on India. Okay. They plan to conduct the food fair on Children's Day. Okay, children. From that fund, they can help the poor children. Okay, so they talk about different foods they can bring on that day. Then Dushar said that they could name the food fair as Many Taste on India. Okay, children. So Dushar also said that he will tell this about their class teacher the next day. Okay, so the bell rang. They went to the classes and they chatting about the food fair. Okay, so next turn to next page. Page number 46. Jaspreet, what fun. I can't believe it actually worked out. Maladi, when you aim to do something good, things always work out. Jaspreet, but still, I'm amazed at how excited everyone has been. The teachers, the parents, the whole school. Everyone's put in so much effort. Many parents took leave from work to help with the cooking. Alice, Jamshed's stall is a big hit. Everyone seems to love the danshak. Dushar, my undiyu is already sold out. Maybe I should have brought more. Jaspreet, it was fabulous. I must take the recipe from you. And your recipe too. Sohail for the biryani. So children, listen on what happened. The children organized the food fair, isn't it? The teachers, parents and other children put so much efforts for the food fair. Okay. That time Alice said that Jamshed's stall is a hit. Okay. Everyone loves his danshak. Alice said to his friends. Okay. Then Dushar exclaimed that his undiyu was already sold out. Okay, like that they were talking about the foods. Okay, page number 46. Last one. Look at your book. Sohail, Look, here comes Mr. Suryakant from the happy world. A couple of children are here too. The next page, page number 47. Sohail, Jaspreet, Alice, Maladi and Tushar walk up to Mr. Suryakant and the two children who are accompanying him. Tushar, good evening, sir. We are very glad you could come to our food fest. Mr. Suryakant, good evening, young man. I was so touched when your teachers told me about your plan that I had to come and see for myself. You have done a wonderful job. That time, what happened? Listen. There came Mr. Suryakant. Okay, who is Suryakant? Yes, he is from the children's home, Happy World. Okay, he brought a couple of children with him for the food fair. Okay, then Tushar greeted Mr. Suryakant, and Suryakant expressed his gratitude for helping the poor children. Okay, he praised the children for arranging the food fair. Okay, then he introduced the children Kamala and Tingu he brought with him. Okay, then Sohail and Maladi ran off to get some food for Kamala and Tingu. Okay, then Tingu was amazed at the number of stalls. That time Jaspreet exclaimed that the food first celebrates a variety of cuisines from all over India. So now Mr. Suryakant expressed that this is what our country India, because this is what all the diversity in clothes, customs and tradition, language and religions boils down to. Isn't it, dear children? So what happened next? Mr. Malik. Who is Mr. Malik? Yes, teacher from that school. So Mr. Malik and few of teachers and parents are counting the money. The food fair is quite a hit. Then they had raised a decent amount of money. So the values are national integration, initiative and teamwork. Okay, teamwork is must because it helps to improve our creativity skill. Okay, and also teamwork encourages us to help others. Then it relieves stress. Okay, children. Then teamwork teaches you how to respectfully and confidently express your ideas and opinions effectively in group setting. Okay, children. Then teamwork improves self-confidence. Okay. Hope you understood today's session. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you.